Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about outdoor furniture for apartment balcony design. If you want to turn your small outdoor space into a cozy retreat, you are in the right place. Join us as we explore easy ideas to make your apartment balconies look great with stylish outdoor furniture. Before we dive into the design, let's talk about why outdoor furniture is important for apartment balconies. Let's you use your balcony more, add comfort and bring a bit of the outdoor to your apartment. Let's start with small balconies. Bistro sets are perfect. They come with a small tables and chairs, great for coffee or meals. Folding furniture is like a superhero for small spaces. Look for chairs and tables that fold up and save room when you are not using them. If you have a bit more space, create a comfy longy corner. Get a small sofa or love seats with cushions and coffee tables for relaxing. For plant lovers, think about vertical garden sitting and hang plants boxes on your balconies, relying and add a bench or chairs. It's like having your garden in their air. If you want to relax, try hammocks or hanging chairs. They hang from above and give you a comfy spot to chill. Furniture that does more is a winner. Look for ottomans with storage inside or coffee tables that can turn into dining tables. It's all about making the most of your space. Don't forget the little things: outdoor rugs, cushions, and potted plants can make your balconies look stylish and comfy. Make it your own with decoration you like. Choose furniture that can handle the weather. This way your balcony setup stay nice even when it's rain or sunny outside. Lastly, think about lighting to make your balcony cozy. Strength light, lanterns, and candeliers can make it feel especially at night. There you have it, easy outdoor furniture idea to make your apartment balcony and comfortable and stylish spot. No matter how small your balcony is, there a way to make it amazing. If you found these apartment balcony ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your apartment livings.